Today I am reviewing the Lenovo ThinkPad L16 Premium Business Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to purchasing a dedicated corporate workstation, the legendary ThinkPad line has always been the gold standard for structural reliability, exceptional typing comfort, and raw processing stability. Today, we are diving deep into an absolute workhorse engineered for the modern enterprise ecosystem. The Lenovo ThinkPad L16 Premium Business Laptop. This specific configuration features expansive 16-inch display, an advanced Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, and a highly secure Windows 11 Pro operating system. Shipped with a complete business-ready bundle set, this laptop is designed to meet the grueling physical and computing demands of corporate professionals, remote engineers, data analysts, and hybrid office workers. Let's break down the chassis engineering, performance architecture, and modern connectivity options to see why this machine is a stellar investment for long-term productivity. First, let's talk about the physical layout and structural durability. The ThinkPad L16 introduces a modern, productivity-focused 16-inch WUXGA display featuring a crisp resolution of 1920 by 1200. This 16 by 10 aspect ratio is a massive upgrade over older screens, providing crucial extra vertical real estate that allows you to view massive spreadsheets, read dense financial documents, or write long lines of code without constantly scrolling. Built using premium IPS technology, the screen delivers a bright 400 nit output, meaning you can easily work outdoors or next to sunny office windows. The panel is also treated with an advanced anti-glare finish to eliminate eye strain during long, grueling working hours. True to its heritage, the L16 is an absolute tank. Lenovo rigorously tests these laptops against military-grade MIL, STD, 810H standards, passing 12 strict requirements and over 26 separate procedures. This ensures your computer will survive extreme daily environments, ranging from vibrations in a traveling vehicle and physical drops, to harsh workplace conditions like dust storms or temperature spikes. Beneath the screen, you will find the classic, world-renowned backlit ThinkPad keyboard that offers unmatched tactile response, a secure integrated fingerprint reader for instant biometric logins, and the iconic red trackpoint nub for precise cursor control without ever lifting your hands from the home row. Under the hood, this machine transitions seamlessly into the era of artificial intelligence. It is powered by the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 7 255U processor, which handles heavy computational workflows using a sophisticated 12-core architecture. This chip clocks all the way up to an astonishing 5.2 GHz under turbo boost and features built-in business-class AI acceleration. This means your system can process complex AI-driven workflows locally, like on-device document summarization via Windows Copilot, or automated real-time background noise cancellation during critical client meetings, without draining your battery or causing the laptop to overheat. To complement this advanced silicon, this specific professional upgrade package is equipped with 16 GB of blazing fast, high-bandwidth DDR5 memory. This allows you to jump flawlessly between dozens of open web browser tabs, active databases, and virtualization software without experiencing a single stutter. Storage is equally impressive, featuring a responsive 512 GB solid-state drive that guarantees near-instant operating system boot-ups and rapid file transfers. As a helpful note, the original manufacturer seal has been briefly opened solely to upgrade the internal RAM and solid-state configurations to these exact high-performance specifications, and Lenovo US backs those components with a full 1-year warranty. Where the ThinkPad L16 absolutely leaves consumer laptops in the dust is its uncompromised array of legacy and modern ports. Lenovo refused to trim down the chassis connectivity, giving you an absolute abundance of physical inputs. You get an always-on USB 3.2 port to charge your phone while the laptop is closed, 2 high-speed standard USB-A ports, a dedicated RJ, 45 gigabit Ethernet port for secure wired corporate networks, an audio combo jack, and an HDMI 2.1 port capable of outputting a clean 4K video signal at 60 Hz directly to an external monitor. Even more impressive, It includes two ultra-versatile Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports, supporting power delivery 3.1 and DisplayPort 2.1, allowing you to run multiple high-resolution displays or high-performance desktop docking stations. Wireless performance is equally premium, utilizing Wi-Fi 6E to tap into wide, less congested 6 GHz wireless bands for ultra-stable internet connectivity. To sweeten the deal, the machine arrives as a comprehensive, business-ready bundle set. It includes a lightning-fast 64-gigabyte flash drive for quick offline data backups, alongside a highly precise wireless mouse with a long battery life and 1600 DPI tracking. Backed by an all-day long-lasting battery, enterprise-level Windows 11 Pro security, and a time-tested legacy of bulletproof reliability, the Lenovo ThinkPad L16 is an absolute triumph of a business laptop that is built to effortlessly power your career and professional projects for years to come.